Alright, what's up guys? This is going to be a really quick video, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I just found. And after requesting this for a week straight, 3 different threads, I finally got all of the RuneScape 377 version sounds, which is all of the old school sound effects. I already have all of the music. This is all the sound effects, NPC sounds, all of that stuff. Galcon compiled it or decompiled it for me. It is, let's see, where does it say? It should say 2000. I think it says 2079 or something like that. Let's figure this out. Let me find it. Okay. Yeah, 2.8 thousand sounds. 2.8 thousand. So I'm trying to keep this video short because it's a really big file format, but that's 2,800 sounds that you and I are going to go through completely and figure out what's a cow, what's a chicken, and what's a spider. That'll be fun. I can't wait to do it with you guys. Post a comment, that's all I ask.